how do you box out door lift system? All right, it's another day in the trailer. Things are moving along nicely. Happy with how it's working out. Right now, I'm going to turn my attention to this section right up here. I need to box in the spring section and finish off this roof, get a couple of lights installed, and that's the goal for the day. If I can get this wrapped up, we're making some progress. I've got this last panel in to finish off the ceiling section. And what I'm working on right now is how do you box out the door lift system? It could be left, but I'm going to actually box it out. I've got an idea as to what I'm going to do. And you'll see here in a minute how I'm going to try this, see if I can get it to work. But stay tuned. We also have cut in the holes for the two remaining lights. These two will be button activated because they're going to be inside of the compartment back here, and don't necessarily need them on if it's inside the compartment other than when it's opened up. So stay tuned. We'll get this board up here in place and see how it works out. All right, just a quick update. I'm about ready to finish boxing this in. What I've done is I've put a 2x3 in here. I've got a bracket here, and there's another one inside to kind of stabilize that. It's nice and solid. I'm taking this board, as you can see, and I've notched it here to accommodate the cable. I've got 5 screws holding it in across the bottom. Now I'm going to work on the face, get that wrapped up, put a piece of trim here and over there, get some lights done, and then that section is finished. Gonna just do some measuring here, cut another piece of board to match that. Obviously this cuts into the storage compartment area, but it is what it is. You want to keep things away from the spring, let it function the way it needs to and have the space it needs to, yet it's still serviceable. If I need to do anything with the spring, I can just remove the screws and we're good to go. Okay, board's in. It's all boxed in now. Right now, I'm going to get my aluminum strip in to kind of finish that up, like up here. Then I can get these in pieces and work on the lights. A few more details to wrap up. It's been a day. It's been a good day. All boxed in, trims out, ceiling. I've just got to do 2 lights. And then it's wrapping up on this end. I have that notched there so that the pulley is free. Thank you for watching. Still little details here and there to finish up, but inside it's getting close. We've got to figure out some cushions for some areas for the sleeping and seating arrangements, and inside's going to be ready to clean up and ready for a trip. I need to do some things on the outside. We're going to turn our attention to that here very soon. So, all right, thanks for watching. If you haven't yet liked and subscribed to the channel, there's more videos that will be coming about the build, so feel free to subscribe, and then you'll be notified when I drop more episodes about this. So thank you.